Hi, I'm Ray, and I'm one of Bosch's product experts. And this is the Bosch Series 2 dishwasher. It's part of an impressive range of stylish models packed with intelligent features. Thanks to the VarioDrawer, you can individually kit your knives, forks and spoons into place so that they get a really thorough clean. Storage-wise, this dishwasher can hold up to 14 place settings and flexible features like the Rackmatic basket. This lets you adjust the height of the top basket even when it's fully loaded, so you can make space for taller baking trays below and long-stemmed wine glasses above. The ExtraDry option makes sure your dishes are cupboard ready after a wash. It uses higher temperatures during the rinse cycle and a longer drying phase to ensure that even those difficult to dry loads are ready to use again. One wash that will come in handy is the Silence 50 Degrees program, which automatically reduces the noise levels so that it doesn't disturb those quiet nights in. This particular dishwasher not only provides excellent cleaning results, but it's also a great listener. You can pair it with most smart devices on your Home Connect app on your device, so when you're busy and you need to start a wash, you can simply tell it what to do. If that wasn't enough, this model's 5-year warranty also gives you complete peace of mind. The Bosch Series 2 dishwasher is the perfect choice if you're looking for something stylish with clever technology to benefit your lifestyle.